This template will work with Premiere Pro 2018 or the above version. Font changing feature available in 2019 Plus version template. Let me show you how to edit this template. Open Premiere Pro. Create a new sequence. I am taking a full HD preset. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this icon to import the template. Place template on the timeline. Change text and font here. Premiere Pro 2018 users can scale text from here. Here you can change text color. Change text position here. Change tracking amount from here. Here you can change the subtext. Change subtext tracking amount from here. Change subtext color here. Hide rectangle from here. You can scale rectangle from here. Change rectangle color here. Here you can change the background color. That's it. Thanks for watching.